The reset button on a Hoover dryer serves as an essential safety and diagnostic tool designed to clear error codes, reset the control board, and restore normal operation following power interruptions or malfunctions. This small button, typically colored red or black and labeled Reset or Start, provides a simple method to address common issues without requiring professional service. In most Hoover dryer models, particularly front-loading variants like the DXC8DC series, the reset button can be found in several key locations depending on the specific model. For newer Hoover dryers equipped with digital controls, the reset function may be accessible through a touchscreen menu, offering a more modern approach to system restoration. Understanding common error codes is crucial for effective troubleshooting. For example, an E1 code typically indicates a heating system issue that the reset button can help resolve. The reset button effectively reboots the dryer's system without data loss, making it a valuable first step in addressing overheating, sensor errors, or other common malfunctions. Begin by unplugging the dryer from its power source for 1 to 2 minutes. This crucial step ensures complete discharge of residual electrical charge. Next, reconnect the dryer to the power outlet. Once powered back on, locate the reset button. In most models, it's a small red or black button labeled Reset or Start, often found inside the dryer door jamb or on the control panel. Press and hold the reset button for 5 to 10 seconds while simultaneously turning the dryer's power on. This discharges capacitors and clears common faults. For models with digital displays, navigate to the reset option within the touchscreen menu, following the on-screen prompts. Critical safety precaution: always disconnect the dryer from the power supply before attempting any reset procedure to prevent electric shock. Consult your dryer's user manual for model-specific instructions, as variations exist. Note that inconsistent reset effectiveness has been reported in energy-efficient models. Whirlpool released a 2025 software patch to improve error code handling.